One of India's most powerful venture capital firms is facing a rare internal rupture right after its biggest success year. In early February 2026, Peak 15 Partners, formerly known as Sequoia India and Southeast Asia, confirmed the exit of three senior managing directors, Ashish Agrawal, Ishan Mittal, and Tejashwi Sharma. These were not junior partners, they were core decision makers inside the firm. Ashish Agrawal spent more than 13 years at Peak 15 and was a key architect behind some of its most profitable investments, especially Grow, one of India's biggest fintech success stories. Ishan Mittal and Tejashwi Sharma, with nearly a decade of experience at the firm, chose to leave alongside him. Together, they plan to launch their own independent venture capital firm. Why it happened? Peak 15 described the exit as a mutual decision triggered by internal differences over compensation, economics, and profit sharing. The leadership said the matter was resolved in the best interests of the firm and its investors. The departing partners have publicly framed this as an entrepreneurial move, stepping out to build something of their own. Why the timing matters? This exit comes just months after Peak 15's strongest exit year ever. In 2025, portfolio companies like Grow, Pine Labs, Meesho, WakeFit, and Capillary Technologies delivered massive returns, some among the best in Indian VC history. Ironically, big wins often create big ambition. Peak 15 has seen several senior departures since its split from Global Sequoia in 2023. The firm is now reshaping itself, promoting internal leaders, betting heavily on AI, and preparing to raise a new billion-dollar fund while expanding globally. But losing experienced partners mid-journey always tests investor confidence. This story is not about failure. It's about power, profits, and the price of independence in India's maturing startup ecosystem. For sharp, credible finance stories, stay tuned to Pashanath Finance News.